If you've been itching to hit the road and experience true RV freedom, then the Jayco Jay Feather might just be the rig to make it happen. Despite what the name suggests, the Feather isn't just about weight. It's about the light, airy, and open feeling you get the moment you step inside. Whether you're a solo traveler, a couple looking for adventure, or a family in need of space and flexibility, this trailer brings the perfect blend of style, functionality, and durability. Let's take a full tour from the inside out. We'll break down the interior features, touch on its solid construction, and finally, get into the real talk, what kind of vehicle you'll need to tow it. So let's step inside and see what makes the Jay Feather a serious contender for your next RV. Right away, the living area sets the tone with its clean, modern aesthetic. The contrast between the bright LED lighting, light walls, and darker furniture creates a sleek, inviting atmosphere, while the tan residential vinyl flooring ties it all together. Jayco didn't cut corners on comfort either. 4-inch high-density dinette cushions make long meals and late-night card games far more enjoyable. If you want to kick things up a notch, so to speak, some models offer the Mega Lounger, a setup that combines theater seating with a tri-fold sofa and built-in party trays. If a traditional booth dinette isn't your style, you can swap it out for a freestanding table with 4 chairs, giving the space just a more residential feel. And comfort isn't just about seating, right? It's also about temperature control. Every Jay Feather comes standard with a 13,500 BTU Coleman Mach Quiet AC, which is 10% quieter than typical units, keeping things cool without sounding like a jet engine. Need even more cooling power? You can upgrade to a 15,000 BTU AC or even opt for a second AC unit in the bedroom as long as you're rocking the 50 amp service, which is standard on most models. Heating, of course, is equally impressive, with a high-output auto-ignition propane furnace in every unit and an electric fireplace in many floor plans. Pair that with the decorative roller shades with the reflective barrier, and you've got the ultimate cozy setup. Not only do the shades darken the room for a theater-like vibe, but during the day, they actually work with the dark tinted safety glass windows to keep the heat at bay. If you just want a fresh breeze, the 14-inch Max Air Power roof vent in the living area will, of course, keep the air circulating. Stepping into the kitchen, you'll find that Jayco wasn't messing around when they designed this space. The seamless residential countertop is built for serious meal prep, and if you opt for a model with a kitchen island, you'll have even more space to spread out. The stainless steel sink with a high-rise faucet and pull-out sprayer makes washing dishes less of a chore, and most models even include a drying rack. Cooking is handled by the Envision Appliance Package, which includes a 3-burner high-output cooktop, an oven, and a microwave. Keeping ingredients fresh is easy thanks to the 11 cubic foot double-door 12-volt fridge, giving you more than enough space for groceries, snacks, and most importantly, a fully stocked beverage supply. One standout feature is the pop-up power station found in many models, perfect for running small appliances like a coffee maker or air fryer. And above it all, the oversized cabinets feature screw-to-include cabinet styles with handcrafted hardwood doors, while the full extension drawer guides allow the drawers to handle up to an incredible 75 pounds of weight. Entertainment is where the Jay Feather really shines. You'll find USB charging ports all over the place so every device stays powered up. The AM/FM Bluetooth stereo with roof-mounted speakers delivers solid sound quality, and the 32 or 39-inch LED smart TV comes standard in every unit, ensuring you're always just a few clicks away from your favorite shows. When it's time to clean up, the bathroom in the Jay Feather is built for both function and comfort. The roller-style pull-screen shower door maximizes space, while the skylight brings in natural light and adds some extra headroom. The 60,000 BTU on-demand water heater means you don't have to rush through your shower either, unless, of course, someone else is waiting their turn. And if you're boondocking, the 55-gallon freshwater tank gives you a solid amount of water to work with. At the vanity, the stainless steel sink with an elevated faucet makes washing up easy, and the porcelain toilet is a nice upgrade that's far easier to clean than standard plastic models. Like the rest of the trailer, the bathroom also has a 14-inch roof vent to keep things nice and fresh. Moving into the bedroom, Jayco gives you plenty of options. Most models come with a residential walk-around queen bed, while some floor plans allow for a king bed upgrade. If you need extra space during the day, select models include a Murphy bed system, which functions like a standard queen when pulled out, but gives you more living space when folded up. Storage is generous with gas-strutted underbed storage, plenty of wardrobe space, and bedside outlets plus USB ports to keep all your gadgets charged. And yes, keeping with the trend, you'll find yet another 14-inch roof vent here, ensuring fresh air flows even while you're sleeping. Stepping outside, the fold-out aluminum tread makes getting in and out of the Jay Feather effortless. Up front, a powered tongue jack simplifies hitching and unhitching, while Lippert quick drop jacks stabilize the trailer 3 times faster than traditional manual jacks. The power awning with LED lighting extends your living space, and the exterior TV bracket with 120 volt and cable hookup lets you keep up with your favorite shows even while enjoying the great outdoors. The automotive-style aluminum rims with nitrogen-filled radials and a sharp look, and the app-controlled tire pressure monitoring system, or TPMS, keeps you informed about your tire health. Around back, the bumper mount bracket for a 17-inch griddle makes outdoor cooking a breeze, and some models even feature a full outdoor kitchen. The rear ladder gives you easy access to the Overlander 1 solar package, which includes a 200-watt solar panel and a 30-amp digital controller. Upgrade to the Overlander 2 and you'll get 2 200-watt panels plus an 1800-watt inverter. Additional features include a rear receiver hitch, rear and side backup camera prep, an outdoor shower, a black tank flush, and the Climate Shield Weather insulation package, which allows for camping in temperatures ranging from 0 to 100 degrees. Okay, let's talk construction. The Norco Z-frame with an integrated A-frame, Stronghold VBL flooring and walls with double-sided aluminum composite and Magnum truss roof system make the Jay Feather lightweight but incredibly strong. Of course, you need the right vehicle to tow it. Jay Feather models range from 23 to 38 feet and weigh between 5,000 and 8,200 pounds dry. The lighter models, under 6,500 pounds, can be handled by mid-sized trucks like the Ford Ranger, Chevy Colorado, or GMC Canyon. Larger SUVs like the Nissan Armada or Jeep Grand Cherokee can tow them too, and for the bigger models, you're looking at full-size trucks like the Chevy Silverado 1500, Ford F-150, or Ram 1500. If you're not sure what your vehicle can handle, stop by Camping World and let them check for you. And while you're there, take a look at the Jayco Jay Feather in person. It might just be your next home on wheels. Happy camping.